Are you dreaming of owning a home but struggling with bad credit, a low down payment, or bank loan denials? What if I told you there's a way to move into your dream home now while working towards buying it without needing a mortgage up front? That's exactly what rent-to-own and lease-to-own programs offer. These unique homeownership solutions are helping thousands of renters become homeowners, even if they don't qualify for a traditional loan. But how do they work? Are they legit or scam? In this video, we're diving deep into 9 of the best lease-to-own companies. We'll break down how these programs work, who qualifies, their benefits, so you can decide if rent-to-own is the right path for you. If you're tired of renting and ready to take control of your future, keep watching. This could be your ticket to homeownership. Number 9. Pathway Rent Plus Program. Pathway Homes is revolutionizing the journey to homeownership with its lease purchase program, designed for renters who need more time to qualify for a mortgage. Whether you're building credit, saving for a down payment, or have a non-traditional income, this flexible rent-to-own solution lets you move into a home today while securing the right to purchase it later at a predetermined price. Unlike traditional rent-to-own agreements, Pathway Homes buys the house on your behalf, allowing you to lease it with the option to buy any time during your lease term. With no hidden fees, predictable pricing, and access to move-in ready homes, this program provides stability and financial freedom. Available in major U.S. markets, including Atlanta, Charlotte, Dallas-Fort Worth, Nashville, Orlando, Phoenix, and Tampa, Pathway Homes gives you the option to choose a home from their inventory or request them to purchase a home with an approved budget. To qualify, applicants must have a minimum annual household income of $75,000, pass a credit and background check, and meet employment and rental history requirements. Pathway also offers credit-building tools to help renters strengthen their mortgage eligibility. What sets this program apart is its no-obligation policy. You can buy the home when you're ready or simply walk away at the end of your lease with no penalties. If you're looking for a flexible, hassle-free path to homeownership, Pathway Homes provides a seamless way to break free from renting and step into the home of your dreams. Number 8. Dream America Program. Owning a home is a dream for many. But for those facing financial obstacles, such as a low credit score or limited savings, it can feel like an impossible goal. Dream America is changing the game with its lease-to-own program, designed to help renters become homeowners in a flexible, affordable, and hassle-free way. Instead of waiting years to improve credit or save for a down payment, Dream America allows participants to move into their future home now while working toward mortgage approval. The process is simple. Qualified participants choose any home for sale within their budget, ranging from $150,000 to $400,000, in one of Dream America's approved markets. Dream America buys the home for you, and you lease it for 12 months while saving up to buy it. Even better, 10% of the rent paid is credited toward the future purchase, giving you a head start on your homeownership journey. Unlike traditional rent-to-own agreements, there are no penalties if you're ready to buy before the lease ends. And if you need more time, you can renew it for another year. Dream America's Lease-to-Own program is open to a wide range of applicants, making homeownership more accessible than ever. To qualify, you need a minimum FICO credit score of 500, a monthly pre-tax income of at least $4,000, and at least $8,000 in savings or accessible funds to cover initial costs. Additionally, applicants must show 12 months of on-time rent payments and maintain a debt-to-income ratio below 50%, including the new rent payment. Dream America currently operates in some of the hottest real estate markets, including Atlanta, Dallas, Jacksonville, Orlando, and Tampa, giving renters in these areas access to a wide selection of homes that fit their budget and needs. With the flexibility to choose a home, build credit, and transition into homeownership on your terms, Dream America's program offers a real solution for those tired of renting. If you're ready to take the next step toward owning your dream home, check out available homes on their website. Number 7. Village at Granger Pines. Owning a home is a dream for many, but financial hurdles often make it feel out of reach. The Village at Granger Pines, a thoughtfully designed community in Conroe, Texas, is changing that with its 15-month rent-to-own program. An exciting opportunity for renters looking to transition into homeowners. This innovative program offers residents a $10,000 credit toward purchasing a brand new home from First America Homes, making homeownership more achievable. The best part? There's no hidden catch, just a straightforward path to owning a home. To qualify, participants must commit to making 100% on-time rent payments for the entire 15-month lease period. By demonstrating financial stability and responsible rental history, tenants unlock a substantial credit that helps them take the leap from renting to owning. This program is perfect for those who are working toward mortgage approval, but need extra time to save or build credit, all while enjoying the benefits of living in a beautiful, family-friendly community. The Village at Granger Pines isn't just about affordability. It's about quality living. The community boasts 120 newly built single-family homes, available in 6 spacious floor plans with 3 and 4 bedroom options, designed to fit a variety of lifestyles. Residents can enjoy a splash pad for summer fun, a covered pavilion with a picnic area for gatherings, and access to a scenic 7-acre lake surrounded by peaceful wooded landscapes. Families will love the convenience of being near Hope Elementary School, making school drop-offs and pickups effortless. This growing community is the perfect blend of comfort, affordability, and opportunity, offering renters a realistic and rewarding path toward homeownership. Number 6. Home Partners of America. For many, owning a home feels just out of reach. Whether it's due to credit challenges, lack of savings for a down payment, or uncertainty about committing to a mortgage. Home Partners of America is changing that with its Lease with a Right to Purchase program, designed for renters who want the flexibility to move into a home now while working toward buying it later. Unlike traditional rent-to-own models, this program provides freedom, stability, and control, giving you the chance to build credit, save for a down payment, or test out a neighborhood before making a long-term commitment. The process is simple. After approval, you can choose from thousands of homes in eligible markets across the U.S. Home Partners will purchase the home for you, and you'll sign a 1-year lease with the option to renew annually for up to 5 years, 3 years in Texas. The best part? You have the exclusive right to buy the home at a preset price anytime during your lease term. And if your plans change, you're not locked in. You can keep renting, walk away, or even move to another home without penalties. To qualify, applicants must have a minimum annual household income of $40,000, a FICO credit score of 620 or higher, stable employment, and a clean rental history. The program operates in major metro areas across the U.S., including Atlanta, Dallas, Chicago, Phoenix, Denver, and Orlando, giving you access to thousands of homes in desirable neighborhoods. Why choose Home Partners of America? There are no hidden fees or surprise costs, and everything is transparent from the start. You can lock in a future purchase price, move into your dream home right away, and enjoy total flexibility with no obligation to buy if circumstances change. Number 5. Home Equity Partner. Home Equity Partner is changing the game with its rent-to-own program, offering a flexible and accessible path to homeownership. Instead of being limited by conventional financing, this program allows you to move into your dream home today while working toward ownership. The process is simple. After a quick online application, approved applicants receive a shopping budget and can choose any home for sale within that range. Home Equity Partner then purchases the home on your behalf, and you lease it while building equity and preparing for a mortgage. With 95% approval rates, this program is a real solution for individuals and families looking for a fresh start on their homeownership journey. Unlike traditional rent-to-own models, qualification requirements are flexible, focusing more on your ability to afford the home rather than just your credit score. Home Equity Partner evaluates income, down payment size, rental and criminal history, and property location rather than imposing rigid credit restrictions. There are no strict minimum or maximum income limits, making it accessible to a wide range of buyers. Operating nationwide, this program has helped people across the United States bypass the hurdles of bank loans and secure their future homes. Whether you're dealing with past financial challenges or simply want a smarter, more flexible way to become a homeowner, Home Equity Partner provides a transparent and supportive path to success. Number 4. Divvy Homes. Divvy Homes is revolutionizing the path to homeownership with its rent-to-own program, designed for individuals who may not yet qualify for a traditional mortgage, but aspire to own a home. This program offers a flexible solution that allows participants to live in their chosen home while building savings toward future ownership. After a quick and free application process that doesn't impact your credit score, Approved applicants receive a home shopping budget and can select from Divvy's inventory of move-in ready homes. Divvy purchases the chosen property, and residents enter into a 1-year lease agreement, renewable annually for up to 3 years. A portion of each monthly payment is allocated toward a future down payment, enabling residents to accumulate savings over time. Residents have the option to purchase the home at a predetermined price at any point during their lease term, offering both flexibility and control over their homeownership journey. To qualify for Divvy's program, applicants need a minimum FICO credit score of 550, a monthly household income of at least $2,500, and 3 months of verifiable income. A background check is also conducted to assess rental history and criminal background. Divvy operates in several major metropolitan areas across the United States, including Atlanta, Cleveland, Dallas, Denver, Houston, Jacksonville, Memphis, Minneapolis, Orlando, San Antonio, St. Louis, and Tampa. This broad geographic presence provides aspiring homeowners with diverse options to find a home that fits their needs. Number 3. Trio Lease-to-Own Program. Trio is transforming the journey to homeownership with its innovative Lease-to-Own program, designed to assist individuals and families who may face challenges securing traditional mortgages. Whether you're a first-time home buyer, working on improving your credit, or seeking flexibility before committing to a purchase, Trio's program offers a viable path to owning your dream home. By partnering with government agencies and offering programs like the Own Option Mortgage, Trio provides alternatives to down payment assistance programs, allowing customers to build equity while leasing their chosen homes. To qualify for Trio's program, applicants need a minimum credit score of 580 for W-2 employees and 620 for self-employed individuals, along with proof of at least $5,000 in savings or assets to cover upfront costs and the first month's payment. Applicants must also demonstrate on-time housing payments for the past 12 months, and have no active bankruptcies or recent evictions. Trio operates in various markets across the United States, offering aspiring homeowners the opportunity to select homes within approved communities. One of the standout features of the program is that the purchase price is set at the original cost of the home, plus just 1%, and this price remains fixed for the entire lease period. This means that no matter how much the real estate market fluctuates, participants can plan for their future purchase with financial certainty. Additionally, Trio's Lease-to-Own program includes an assumable FHA mortgage, which is a significant advantage for buyers. This type of mortgage allows participants to secure today's lower interest rates for up to 30 years, protecting them from potential rate increases in the future. By offering flexible lease terms, the ability to lock in current mortgage interest rates, and the opportunity to build equity before purchasing, Trio empowers individuals to achieve homeownership on their terms. Number 2. Landis. Whether you're working on improving your credit score, building savings for a down payment, or seeking flexibility before committing to a purchase, Landis offers a tailored solution to help you achieve your homeownership dreams. How does it work? The process is straightforward and client-focused. After submitting an online application, qualified applicants receive a home shopping budget based on their financial profile. Clients can then select a home within this budget, and Landis purchases the property on their behalf. The client enters into a lease agreement, typically for 12 months, during which time they work on improving their financial readiness to secure a mortgage. A portion of the monthly rent contributes to building savings for a future down payment. Landis also provides personalized coaching to help clients enhance their credit scores and savings, facilitating a smoother transition to homeownership. Qualification requirements are inclusive, aiming to assist a broad range of aspiring homeowners. Applicants should have a minimum credit score of 550 and an annual income of at least $55,000. Additionally, clients need to provide an initial deposit of 2 to 3% of the home's purchase price, which goes toward their security deposit and down payment savings. Landis also considers factors such as where does Landis operate. The program is available across several states in the United States, including Alabama, Florida, Georgia, Indiana, Kentucky, North Carolina, Ohio, and Tennessee. This extensive reach allows clients in various regions to take advantage of Landis's lease-to-own opportunities. Number 1. LGI Homes Lease-to-Own Program. LGI Homes is redefining the path to homeownership with its innovative lease-to-buy program, designed for individuals and families eager to transition from renting to owning a brand new home. Recognizing that achieving homeownership can be challenging due to various financial constraints, LGI Homes offers a flexible solution that allows you to start living in your dream home today while working towards ownership. This program is available in select communities such as Freeman Ranch in Katy, Texas, and Sweetwater Ridge near Conroe, Texas, providing residents with access to amenity-rich neighborhoods and move-in-ready homes. How does it work? The process is straightforward and tailored to ease your transition into homeownership. Participants enter into a minimum 12-month lease agreement for a new construction home managed by LGI Living, an affiliated leasing company. During the lease term, you have the flexibility to terminate the lease without penalty upon closing on a new LGI home, facilitating a seamless move from renting to owning. Additionally, the security deposit from your lease can be applied towards your down payment, easing the financial burden of purchasing a home. To qualify, applicants must meet standard leasing criteria, which includes a satisfactory credit history, sufficient income to cover rent, and a clean rental record. While specific income requirements are not publicly disclosed, LGI Homes emphasizes affordability and works with individuals across various income levels to make homeownership attainable. LGI Homes. By offering this lease-to-buy program, LGI Homes empowers aspiring homeowners to experience the benefits of living in a new home and community, while providing a clear and supportive pathway to ownership. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Whether you're looking for flexibility, building your credit, or just trying to buy a home without a massive upfront cost, these programs could be a great option. Remember, every program has its own rules, benefits, and risks, so always do your research and read the fine print before signing anything. Homeownership is a big step, and the right lease-to-own program can help you get there faster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more content like this. Now, we want to hear from you. Have you ever considered a lease-to-own program? Or do you think traditional home buying is still the best way to go? Let me know in the comments below.